बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इन्नमा तुन्ज़िरु मन इत्तबअ ज़िक्रा व ख़शियर रहमान बिल-ग़ैबि फ़बश्शिरहु बिमग़फ़िरतिन व अज्रिन करीम. Thou canst warn only him who would follow the reminder and fear the gracious God in secret. So give him the glad tidings of forgiveness and a noble reward.
Huzur, my question is, if someone is already fearful of Allah, then why he is warned?
He said if somebody is already fearful of God Almighty, why a warning was given in this verse to him?
To understand the question, read the verse again.
औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इन्नमा तुन्ज़िरु मन इत्तबअ ज़िक्रा व ख़शियर रहमान बिल-ग़ैबि फ़बश्शिरहु बिमग़फ़िरतिन व अज्रिन करीम.
Now understand the question. You say those who follow the word of admonishment, zikra. Zikra in fact indicates a great word of Allah's reminder and warning. So whoever follows it, only he will be warned. Because those people who do not have the fear of God in their heart, they do not care for any zikra, however great it may be. So the warning is in fact to the people who in fact do not have any fear of Allah at their heart. When they are reminded, they will always deny. Speak.